Now let us all take a moment to invite Ariana Manchu onto the dais for a special performance.
Hi everyone. I'm Ariana. I'm singing a song for my Babu. Do you guys like Taylor Swift? Can you start the music, please?
హరి, నీకు మీ తాత మోహన్ బాబు గొంతొచ్చింది. మోహన్ బాబు ఫేస్ వచ్చింది, అందుకే నీ అంత ధైర్యంగా పాడుతున్నావు. వండర్ఫుల్ గర్ల్, కమాన్, హ్యాండ్స్ అప్, కమాన్, వెరీ గుడ్ తల్లి. కమ్ స్ట్రైట్ అవే, టేక్ బ్లెస్సింగ్స్ టు మోహన్ బాబు, మా మోహన్ లాల్ అంకుల్. కమ్ స్ట్రైట్ అవే. అట్రా.
Let's give a big round of applause to this fabulous performance by our Manchu kids. Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up because the moment we have been eagerly waiting is finally here. The man who is an eminent actor, whether told or untold, hailing from the God's own country, Kerala, is finally here with us tonight. He is none other than Padma Bhushan awardee Shri Mohanlal Garu. Mohanlal has a prolific career spanning over 4 decades during which he has acted in more than 400 films. Mohanlal Garu's contribution to the Malayalam cinema has been praised by his contemporaries in the Indian film industry. Mohanlal was named as one of the men who's changed the face of Indian cinema. Now, I request Dev Dhanush to read out the profile.
We are honored to have Sri Mohanlal as our chief guest for this momentous occasion. Mohanlal, a renowned actor and a native of Kerala, needs no introduction as he has proven his talent and versatility in the Indian entertainment industry. He is also known as Universal Star as he transcends language, region and country. In his illustrious career spanning over 4 decades, Mohanlal has received numerous accolades and honors including the National Film Awards, Kerala State Film Awards and Filmfare Awards South. The Government of India has also recognized his contributions to the arts by honoring him with Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan. Shri Mohanlal is known for his immeasurable respect and great admiration for the Indian Army. Mohanlal Garu as Major Mahadevan, an honest army officer in patriotic films like Kirti Chakra, Kurukshetra, Kandar and Beyond the Borders, not only robbed the hearts of millions in Indian Army, inspired millions of youth aspiring to join the defense forces, but had also impressed the Ministry of Defense, which honored Mohanlal sir with the honor of Lieutenant Colonel in the Territorial Army of India. This makes him the first Indian actor to receive the bravest of the honors. As an actor, Mohanlal holds the distinction